Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up your Instagram professional business account. So after watching this video, you'll be able to know how I was able to transform this particular page to this very one. And I will also show you how to connect your WhatsApp to your contact button on your Instagram, which is like this. You will get the call button, the email button, and the WhatsApp button. So customer can navigate and send you message through WhatsApp direct. So guys, there is some things that customer used to do when buying things online. You might, as a seller, you might know how to target your customers. You might use Instagram ads. You might use hashtag to target your customer. But what customer always do is that when they see your amazing product online, when they see your amazing picture, what they want, the next thing to do is to go to your profile, because without your profile, that customer cannot contact you. You have to go to your profile, and when you navigate to your profile and you find out that your profile is not properly arranged, the customer that is about to buy that thing, that is about to contact you, the trust of buying that thing will drop. The trust of buying that thing will drop, and once the trust of buying that thing drops, there's every possibility that the customer can even go to search that product and go back to another person's page that will look more professional and trustworthy. It's not that you are not trustworthy, but your page does not look professional. So that is why this video is very, very important. Watch every detail of this video. Anywhere you did not understand, ask me question on the comment section. I will be glad to answer you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so to support this channel, because this is what will encourage me, and also give me thumbs up if you like this video. To set up this Instagram account, we have to do 3 steps. The first step is to switch over to professional account, which is you go to this bar, you go to settings, and you go to account, and scroll up. You can switch over to professional account, which we are going to do. Then you enable all these tools. It's all these tools that will enable you to configure and set up this account. You choose your field, artist. In this video, we are going to use artist because we are doing artwork. Artist done. We are going to choose business. Then we'll go to next. So this is all our contact. We're going to display our contact. You go to next. You skip this part for now. So we are telling you to complete the profile. You say also choose business name, which is the first thing we are going to do. So choose our business name. Let's see, art frame. Let's just say art frame. You can choose any name you want as your business name. Then they say we should put our bio. Guys, in this place I want you to don't just type anything here. Actually, I want you to go to your note. Go to your note in your phone. Yes, you can do something like this in your note. Then you copy everything. Copy it and come here and paste it. You understand? You go to your note, make the list of what you are doing. You should add our profile picture. If you have logo here, This is where you are going to add your logo, but if you don't have logo, you can add any picture. You just add any picture related to what you are doing. That is what you are going to add here. To complete our first task. So the second one is to follow other business creators or see the share content to engage the audience. Follow like 5 or 6 business person and with the first step. The second step is to upload our highlight. So how do we do that? You go to the plus sign, the right hand corner, go to stories and go to your picture gallery where you can add your highlight. If you did not make highlight, if you don't know how to make highlight, you can put any picture, the picture related to what you are going to write. But if you want to learn how to do highlight, I put a link below the description so that you can watch how to make highlight in few minutes. When I'm going to upload the policy, I want to share it. The policy, share. You can see highlight, add to highlight. When you share your picture, you add it to highlight here. You name it. Let's say this is the policy button. Policy, you add. Done. And show. You go to the second one. You go to story. Go to where you save it. Upload the review button. You share to story. Done. Just upload everything that you know that you want to use on the highlight. Like I said before, if you don't know how to do highlight pictures, I will put the link of this on the description button. It's on the description of this video so that you can learn how to do all this in few minutes. You go to, then let me upload the last one that I think I'm going to use for now. Which is the contact button. So you go to the story, you add this very one to highlight. This is review. This is review button. You add it. And this is delivering button, you add it. So this is the contact button. You add it. As you can see, all of them has appeared. So this is the second step. We're done with the second step. So the third step will be how to connect our contact to enable our customer navigate to our WhatsApp directly from Instagram without going to his phone to save your contact, refresh, and send you message. It will just send you direct message to WhatsApp from inside the account. So as you can see now, we have only two contacts, the call button and the email button. So we are going to show you how to add your WhatsApp button here to make it three, which is the WhatsApp, the call, and the email. So anyone can just go, because WhatsApp is the most easy. It will just go straight and we have to communicate with you direct with WhatsApp. So what you are going to do first here is to go to the right hand corner where there's this three stripe here, and go to your settings, go to account, share to other app. On this place you can see WhatsApp. You can connect to your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your Twitter, but in this video we are going to connect to WhatsApp. As you can see, our number appear here. So if you are not using the number which you open your Instagram with, you can put it under here. But since the number is already here, I don't need to put any number. I have just to mark it and press the code. So they are going to send me code. Facebook has sent me code. As you can see it, the code is 46047 has been connected. So as you can see, the WhatsApp have been connected. If you go back to your profile now, click on contact, you can see WhatsApp has been added. So if your customer come to like your product and he want to contact you, you can just click on WhatsApp and send you message direct. So this is literally how you work. You can dial the WhatsApp and send you message direct to your WhatsApp. You can send you message direct to your WhatsApp without any storing, any long process. So guys, with all this, I believe your account is set up for business. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me thumbs up and support this video. This is to show me that you like what I did. I want you to press the subscribe button. Also give me thumbs up, comment, ask me question, anything on the comment section.